Move over, Meta. Google is back in the XR game, and it's here to take the crown. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Google has officially launched Android XR, a next-level software platform for smart glasses, AR devices, and mixed reality headsets, starting off with Samsung's Galaxy XR at just $1,799. Android XR isn't just a product, it's Google's bold return to mixed reality after the stumbles of Google Glass, Cardboard, and Daydream. According to Samir Samath, president of the Google ecosystem, the Gemini era makes now the perfect time to go big in XR. The Galaxy XR headset delivers 4.3K per eye, hand and eye tracking, and Gemini AI integration, letting you interact with the world and digital apps in an immersive way. Want a 4K nature video to feel 3D? Check. Ask Gemini about anything in your view? Check. Play Meta Quest style games like Job Simulator or Arizona Sunshine? Check. Android XR even supports universal APIs like OpenXR and WebXR, and Samsung isn't the only partner, as Google's collaborating with Xreal, Gentle Monster, and Warby Parker to bring smart glasses to life. Google's prototype smart glasses, Project Hayen, can translate languages in real time, recognize objects, and work directly with Gemini, and it can land as soon as early 2026. Meta Horizon OS relies on proprietary apps, but Android XR runs the Google Play Store, native Android apps, and VR/AR games, giving it an upper hand for productivity and entertainment. Google isn't just catching up, it's here to make its mark with Android XR, Samsung Galaxy XR, and a Gemini-powered AI core. The battle for extended reality just got real. Have you tried any XR headsets? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.